It is 2025, and let's be honest, most people are falling behind. If you want to thrive, you need to do things differently. In this video, I'll break down exactly how to get ahead in 2025 with real actionable steps you can start today. What's up, everyone? I'm Kevin Ziegler. If you're here to grow your income, master your mindset, or just stop feeling stuck, I'm your guy. Step number one is to master a high income skill. This is step one for a reason. People are not being paid enough to keep up with the cost of living and inflation. If you can get a good job in digital marketing, coding, sales, doing something in tech, really anything just with a high paying job, you're going to have stability. The rest of these steps are going to be a lot easier. Step number two is build a personal brand. You've heard the saying, it's not what you know, it's who you know. Building a network is extremely important. Building an audience, a brand, whether it's on LinkedIn or Instagram, YouTube, just building your own personal brand, getting a following. It's going to help you be better in front of a camera. It's going to help you be better with people, at meeting strangers, at job interviews. Oftentimes jobs will ask for a URL, they'll ask for your socials. It's good to have presence on these, be active, be interacting, responding to comments, things like that. Building a personal brand will just go a long way. Step number three for getting ahead this year is leveraging AI tools. The past few years, we've seen just a monumental, meteoric rise in AI, which has a lot of people scared and a lot of people excited. If you can use it to your advantage, you're going to do well. If you don't, you are going to see your job possibly taken or your future otherwise not working out as well as if you did. Use ChatGPT, Descript. There's all sorts of things you can use. Image generation, text to video, text to image. Please use these tools, even if it's to help you summarize a lecture, an assignment, anything. Really gonna give you a strong edge. Which brings us to step number four, create multiple income streams. I'm sure you've heard this before and it's probably annoying by now, but most millionaires, around 70%, have multiple streams of income. I don't care if you're selling a product, if you're doing affiliate marketing, if you're doing TaskRabbit, if you are mowing the lawn for your neighbor, anything you can do to help generate some extra income in case there are layoffs. Anything else you can do up above and beyond your current job is going to help. Again, you can be selling products, you could be selling makeup online, there's drop shipping, there's content creation, there's just really thousands of things you could do at this point that's going to help you be less reliant on your job, especially with last step in mind with AI and the rise of that. Something happens with your job and you lose your job. My CEO is always talking about AI and how it's going to do everything. So, I'm a little bit scared, and I think it's good to diversify your income sources. Number five, guard your time. Time is money. Everyone has a limited amount of it. Don't spend all your time doom scrolling on social media. Don't spend all your time watching Netflix, rotting. Don't spend all your time sitting there just wasting time. No one's ever gonna be on their deathbed and wish they worked more. No one's gonna be on their deathbed and wish that they worked harder at their job. People are gonna be on their deathbed wishing they spent more time with their family, their friends, their loved ones, and that is really what's important. The sixth step to get ahead is to invest in your network. Reach out to that person on LinkedIn that you admire. Reach out to your old coworker who got a good job. Reach out to people who have been in your life. On my LinkedIn, I have hundreds and hundreds of solid connections, and I've used them on references at extremely big tech companies that you've probably heard of. And this would not have been possible without investing in my network and just speaking with people I already know. I'm already friends with them on LinkedIn. I might as well take advantage of it. And like we said before, it's not what you know, it's who you know. Your network is your net worth. The final and maybe one of the most important steps is to master your mindset today. There are a lot of people that are defeated, self-defeated, and they just don't believe in themselves. They don't think they can make it work. Look, if you don't think you're going to make it work, it's not going to work out for you. You have to make it work. No one's coming to save you. The government's not going to save you. The mayor's not going to save you. Your parents aren't going to save you. No one's here to save you except yourself. You have to get yourself out of this situation. Like we said in the beginning of the video, most people are falling behind. I think that's just going to continue to get worse unless people pick themselves up and they just have to plow through and do what it takes. If you master your mindset, the rest of these steps will more or less fall into place if you are right up here. If you think you can do it, I would cut out any toxicity. I would ignore any self-doubt. and I would just get after it relentlessly. Believe that you can do it. Believe that you can get ahead this year. I think things with inflation and money printing and whatever's happening with this trade war, I think stuff is just getting out of hand, and you need to be stable. Right now in an unstable world, things that were maybe guaranteed last generation for people my age, it's not so certain, and we're gonna have to do something special to make it work. So I'll say that about mindset. If you guys find this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. But let me know which one of these do you need to work on. Thanks for the support, and I'll see you in the next video.